In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link copied to Clipboard. This is a straightforward process, but understanding it thoroughly can save you a lot of time and effort when you need to share information quickly. Let's start with the first step. You must have a link copied to your clipboard. This link could be from a website you want to share, an article, a video, or any online resource. To do this, highlight the link in your browser's address bar by clicking on it. Once highlighted, right-click and select Copy from the menu. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. This action places the link onto your clipboard, making it ready to be pasted where needed. Copying the link is crucial because it ensures that the exact URL is ready for sharing without any errors. Now that you have copied the link, the next step is to open a platform where you wish to share it. This could be an email client if you're sending it via email, a chat application for messaging, or even a simple notepad if you're saving it for later. Open the application of your choice by clicking on its icon from your desktop or start menu. Each platform serves different purposes. For instance, using email is ideal for formal communication, while chat is faster for quick exchanges. Choosing the right platform helps convey your message appropriately. With the application open, place your cursor in the spot where you want to paste the link. This could be the body of an email, a chat message field, or a blank notepad page. To paste the link, press Ctrl+V on your keyboard. You'll see the link appear exactly where your cursor was positioned. This step is vital because it ensures the link is transferred correctly from your clipboard to the destination. If you're using a touch device, you may need to tap and hold to bring up the paste option. After pasting, take a moment to review the link to ensure it looks correct. This is important because a small mistake could lead someone to the wrong page. If everything looks good, proceed to the next action. If you're in an email or chat application, click the Send button. This will dispatch your message containing the link to the intended recipient. If you're using Notepad, click File, then Save, to store the link on your device for future use. This ensures that your information is not lost and can be accessed later if needed. Finally, once you've sent your email or message or saved your file, the link is successfully shared. Sharing links effectively can enhance your communication by providing direct access to resources. It's a simple yet powerful action that connects people to information seamlessly. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you do this, the more instinctive it will become. You'll find yourself sharing links effortlessly in no time, making your digital interactions smoother. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital skills.